Bismillahi wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ismail, and in these videos I'll be showing you everything you need to know about getting started with Cadastra, and we shall build several projects and we shall compute many GRGs, and by the end of these videos you will be able to compute a GRG within a shortest time possible. I encourage you to watch all these videos. They may take some time, about 2 hours, but I encourage you to watch all of them and see how we use Cadastra and the new technology that it has in computing and compiling the GRG. Here is the software and I'll show you how to install and some basic features of Cadastra. And now let's start. To install Cadastra, you go to this website. I'll leave the link in the description below. You download. It will take a few seconds for it to get completed. Then you'll find it in the downloads. It's just here. Then you can double click, then more info, then you can run anyway, but I already have it installed, so I'm not going to run this setup, but you can run it and install it the normal way as you install other softwares. Then after installing it installs two softwares. One is the Cadastra and the coordinate transformations. We shall look at this towards the end of this video series. Now this is our Cadastra. You can open it, and here this is how it looks. These are the recent GRG files you have computed, and this is the new open and the control finder buttons. You can create a new GRG and open, then the control finder. I'll show you in a little bit. Now the problem we have in Uganda is we haven't formalized the use of the current technologies. Right now we have differential GPSs, we call them RTKs, but submitting the data, you need to submit the GRG in a format that as if it was done by a total station. Like for example, you see the traverse. A few of the surveyors currently use total stations, but it is a prerequisite that you need to submit your GRG file in this way, not until our system recognizes the current technologies. That's when maybe we can get another way of submitting our data. But currently, when you use your differential GPS and you need to compile your GRG in that format, this is where this software comes in. What you do is you need to create a new GRG file. What it does, it saves a GRG file, just as the way AutoCAD saves its own file extension. So Cadastra also has its file extension. It is called .grg. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is the GRG file. You can see this .grg. We shall compute this in the coming videos, but for now you can open it, you can copy it, you can send it to someone on WhatsApp, you can send it to someone on email, then he can open it on his computer if he has Cadastra, whatever, just as you do with other normal files. Let's open it and see. So after opening, it will load the data into the Excel sheet. This is Excel Cadastra. This one is Graphical User Interface Cadastra. This is the Excel Cadastra. So it loads the data of the GRJ file into Excel. Then you can see that the beauty of this software is you'll be working as you're seeing your index diagram, and the way your index diagram is plotted, that's how your the area has been computed. This is your index diagram. That one is just for display, but this is the index diagram to scale. You can have extra plotting of the road. We shall actually compute this GRG in the next coming video. So everything, it will compute for you everything, literally everything, even the traverse, the field notes, and everything. The beauty of this is that the data is always variable. You don't need to worry about I have many markstones or I have very few markstones. As long as the minimum is 6, you can compute any GRG, and the maximum is 1000 stations. I don't think you can reach there. But anyway, that's the maximum and the minimum. And you can open this, you can send it to someone on WhatsApp, you can by email, and he can open it on his laptop. Then one other thing I'm going to talk about is the coordinate, the control finder. This one, you can just click on it. It will open a website of Google Maps. Give it a few seconds for it to load all the controls. Here it is, and there are very many controls. In case you want one and you want to navigate to it, this is our website. You can actually copy it and send it to your phone, then open it in Google Earth. You'll navigate to this control point. Let me zoom in somewhere like in Kampala. Let me go to Nakawa. I click on this control point. You can see where it is located. And if you drive to this point, you will for sure find this control point. Maybe you can use it for reference. So these are the actual coordinates of this control point, the northern and eastern. If you have a feedback for this, you can give this person a call. This is the one who manages this control point system. You can give him a call if for example you have other controls you need to include on his system. You can just give him a call or you send him a WhatsApp message. He will handle for you the controls. So that is it within this video. The next videos we shall be handling some other examples. There will be very many examples, and I assure you by the end of this video series you will be able to compute your GRJ in a few minutes. And computing a GRJ will be a game to you, even if you are a junior surveyor or even if you are a senior surveyor. This software will for sure help you. If you find it helpful, I request you to recommend me to other surveyors to purchase from us different surveying equipment of the highest precision and the current technologies. Many other instruments that have not been listed, they are available for sale and hire. Thank you. That's the end of this video.